Today we're looking at a vacuum, Masterforce, 16-gallon wet and dry vacuum with a pump. It's got that little pump. It's a 6 horsepower motor. We have the owner's manual over here. Let's set that aside. And here's the pump that it has. Let's set that aside. And here's the vacuum. Here's some attachments. Here's 2 more attachments. And that's what comes in the box. Let's take a look inside. Push on those and then pull up. And this whole thing should come out. And we have more stuff in here. We got some wheels. 2 of them. We got the hose. We got more attachments. Looks like a filter. And a bag. More attachments. More attachments. We got some screws in here. And another wheel. I'm gonna assemble it and come back with you guys. Okay, I got some of it together. I got the wheels on. All you do is put your wheel on, slide that shaft through there, and then put that on here. You slide it. It's got those slots right there. And then you just hook it in place like that, and then you just put your screw in there. And you do the same for that one and this whole piece over here. And then you slide your shaft in here, get one of the wheels on, get a washer behind here. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a washer back there. And then you get a washer in front of it, and then your pin. And then there's 3 little holes in there, 3 slots in there. 1, 2, 3. And it's got 3 little clips in there. You just gotta hook them up in there. And there's one. There's a second one. And there's a third one. And that's how it's supposed to look. And I'm gonna put some more stuff back together and get to you guys here in a little bit. I got the handle in place now. All it has is this. You just clip it in, just push it in. And that clip is gonna fit in there on both sides. Just slide it in and it should go in. And then it's got this plastic things on the top. All you do is just put a bolt behind it and then turn them and adjust them, pointing up like that. I got the bag on there. All you do is wrap it around here, and then you can put your adapters in there. And then to replace your air filter, if you ever want to take it off or replace it or whatever, you can see the little lock and unlock. So you turn it to the left, and this thing comes out, and then you can just pull it out, and you can replace it. To put it back in, just line up that with the hole, line them up, should go in like that, push it in, and then turn, and it should be in there. So now for the pump, you take your drain plug off there, just unscrew it, this is what it was on there, and then find your adapter that fits, which is this one. Then you screw it on, and then this goes here on the pump, and then you screw it on. I'm just gonna put it on like this for now, or I'll show it here. That goes like that, and then you screw it in, and then this goes on the end, and then you attach your hose, your water hose or whatever. And how it works is you suck water with this. You're sucking out water, and then shut off your vacuum, and then turn on your pump, and that's gonna drain the water inside your vacuum. That way you don't have to take the lid off and dump it yourself and carry it over and do all of that. All you gotta do is drain it with this hose right here, and then shut it off, and then turn on your pump. Open your little valve right here. You open this, and then turn on your pump, and that's just gonna pump water out of your vacuum. And I'm gonna lift this off for now because I'm not gonna use it right now, but later on I might make a video about it. So now I'm just gonna reinstall the drain plug, and this is all the attachments that came with the pump. And now we have the vacuum all assembled. All you need to put it together, it's a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. That's all I needed. And there's the vacuum. Power switch. And then back here, it's got some where you can put your adapters in. You can just slide them on. And then here's all the attachments. It came with this right here. It's a squeegee, and you can take it off. You can push this out of here like that. It comes out, and you can switch it out for this little brush. You can see the clips right there. Just clip it in. It's got that little brush, and it goes on this. There's that. And then this is for if you are vacuuming water, if you're taking water out or something like that, you take your filter off and put this on. And then here's more adapters. Here's one. Here's another one. And here's another one. And then if you don't want to vacuum, you want to blow like air out or something like that, all you do is unscrew it from here, twist it to your left. You can see that right there. left, and then you can pull out. And then you can put it on the top one. Just push it on. Let me get a better view. Right there, push it on. And then twist. And then now you can turn it on and it's gonna blow air out of it. See that? And here's the owner's manuals right here. All the accessories that it has. How to put it together. That's the blower operation. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me get a better. All the parts and numbers. Three-year warranty. That's the Masterforce wet and dry vacuum. And here it is, all assembled. And I guess you can buy more accessories on Menards. It even tells you right there. And the power cord is pretty long too. Thanks for watching.